Hello student, today start lesson first exercise 2. Okay, and see, give the your palace value of Indian palace value chart. Okay, what you give? Crore and 10 crore and crore, lakhs 10 lakh and lakh. Okay, thousand, 10,000 and thousands. Next is ones, tens and hundreds. Give the Indian palace value chart. Okay, but not a international type. See this one is international palace value chart. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand is 3 columns. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and million is the 3 columns. Million, 10 million and 100 millions. Okay, Indian value of 4 columns, and this is only main of 3 column. Okay, ones, what is 3 columns? Million, thousand, ones, thousand, million, and Indian is ones, thousand, lakhs and crores values. Okay, very simple. See all of you, and see exercise 2, and give the first question of you. Write each of the following numbers in the words in the Indian palace value system. Okay, you write the word in Indian palace value. Okay, not a million used to you like do this type. Give the first question of you. 4 lakh and 83,745. What is give? 4 lakh 83,745. You like, you first you write this type. You 4 lakh 83,000 and 745, and you write 4 lakh 83,000 value. LS value of 83 is 1000. You write 1000 and 7 is 100, so write 745. B point is 12 lakh 36,356. 12 value palace value of lakh and 36 palace value of 1000. You write 36,000, and 3 value of 100. You write 356. See the D point. C point you do. Okay, C point 38 lakh 56,989 you doing, and you see D point. What is D? 2 crore 25 lakh 37,188. 2 is palace value of crore and 25 palace value of lakh. You write 25 lakh, and 37 palace value of Indian palace value 1000. You write 37,000, and 1 is 100, so write 188. Okay, very simple. You see, very simple. Next, you E and F point you doing. Okay, and see the next question is, write each of the following numbers in words in international palace value system. Last question give the you Indian palace value system, and this is international palace value system. International palace value system of chart. What is give? Ones, thousands and millions. Okay, only 3. And see first question. This value of ones and thousand, and this is millions column. Okay, first column of ones, second is thousand, and next is million. So write you first column of ones, thousand and million. So write 2 million, and this is thousand, so 800,000. Okay, 800 and 96,000 and 450. Okay, and see second question here. 5, and this is ones, and this thousand, and this million value. You write 5 million and 300,000. Okay, what is give? 300,000 and 649. And see C point. This is ones value and thousand value, and million value. So write 40,500,000, okay, and 179. Very simple. And you see doing you C and D point you do, and I write E point. E point of 1,123, and next 4 5 3 and 5 3 6. Okay, what is it come? 1, this is one's value, 100 and million, 1000 values and million value, and 1,000 million, and 223 thousand million, sorry 100 million, and 4 100,000, and 53 53,500 and 36. Okay, very simple. And you do a point you do. Okay, homework, and the next question is tomorrow doing. Okay, goodbye.